Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to install and use Tailwind CSS in a Laravel project. I created an empty Laravel project for this tutorial and we will install Tailwind CSS using npm package manager. We're gonna install Tailwind CSS with command npm install -d tailwind css. And now we need to create a Tailwind config.js file to configure our Tailwind in Laravel project. And you can do it with npx tailwind css init. I have already created a Tailwind config.js file. Now in Tailwind config.js file, we need to tell Tailwind where to find the content and generate CSS that we actually use in our project. So that keeps your CSS file very small. Now in package.json file, we need to create a command which compiles our Tailwind CSS into actual CSS file. We're gonna create two commands. One we will call build and the other twatch, because the watch command is already in use. So difference between these two commands are that one will run one time and the other with watch at the end will watch every single file and compile every time changes have been made in your file. We're gonna import base, components and utilities from Tailwind and we're gonna compile it. Right now in our welcome.blade.php file, I'm gonna delete everything, make a new HTML file, let's call it Laravel Tailwind. And I'm gonna paste here my component which I created a couple videos ago. This is a sidebar menu created with Tailwind and we're gonna test it if it's working or not. Yeah, so we pasted here my code. Yeah, this is how it looks like with no Tailwind CSS compiled. And right now we're gonna using build command. Yeah, so let's open new terminal. We're gonna run npm run build. So yeah, we can see input output and Yeah, so this is what output looks like. Right now in our head we're gonna link CSS file, which is in assets, SCSS, and app.css file. Yeah, let's open web browser, refresh it, and as you can see we have Tailwind sidebar menu. So yeah, this is how it's done, and you have prepared and ready to use Tailwind with Laravel. Thanks for watching. Leave the comments what you want to see more, and please subscribe. Thanks.